make Nankhatai, also known as Indian cookies. So let's get started. Let's first talk about the ingredients you will need. This is Maida. This is chickpeas flour, cardamon powder, baking soda, rava, powdered sugar, ghee, and for taste, salt. To get started, first we need to put in all the dry ingredients. Put in some chickpea powder. Then, powdered sugar. Then some rava. This powder. And baking powder. And let's also put in some little bit of salt. 1 spoonful of salt. Now, let's mix it up. Next step is to add some ghee. Let's add it.
What about you, Sim? Mix. Like it. It makes a good dough. More cookies to put in. Stay cold.
As you can see now, our dough has a doughy texture because we mixed it up. And now we are going to make it into shapes, molds, and put it in these trays to put it in the oven and bake. We're done molding our cookies, and now I am gonna add some dry fruit powder and saffron. So let's give it a pinch of saffron and a little bit of dry fruit powder.
A little bit of dry fruit powder and a pinch of saffron. We need to press it on the saffron so it stays there.
Now we're going to cook them.
We're just going to poke some holes in it in the middle.
Now we're going to bake our delicious cookies in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go.